channel. Today we are going to see the experiment. This is hot water and this is a cold water. Then we are going to add on the hot water a red color. Let us put this. Let us see what it happened. It's going so fastly. Now we are going to add the green color on the cold water.
അങ്ങനെ കേട്ടോ.
It is mixing so slowly, and this in hot water it mixes so fastly. Now we are going to put this hot water top of this cold water. Let us see what happens.
Slow. Good.
It is because of the density from the cold water it's giving. Did you see that? Please share my video with others. Bye bye. You subscribe this.